Oh man, oh man, oh man! I can't wait to watch Charlie and Friends! This is my favorite show! Oh, I gotta turn it on.
Charlie and Friends is filmed in front of a live audience.
Daughter from me, baby. Meow! Oh, hi guys! I'm Chef Charlie! And today, I have a special dish for you! It's spaghetti and meatball! Magnifique! And I'm gonna eat it for you today. But, wait, I don't have a spoon! Oh well, I'll still eat it.
Flash flood emergency. The National Weather Service in Leaf City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Colorado County and southeastern Texas, Warren County and southeastern Texas, southeastern Grimes County and southeastern Texas, southwestern Montgomery County and southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County and southeastern Texas, Austin County and southeastern Texas, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and rain gauges indicate that between 8 and 16 inches of rain has fallen across the flash flood emergency area. Flash flooding is occurring. Additional heavy rainfall is expected. This is a flash flood emergency. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Some locations that will experience flooding include Katy, Tomball, Jersey Village, Hempstead, Prairie View, Brookshire, Belleville, Pinehurst, Attic Spartan, The Woodlands, Northern Elkridge, West Oaks, Shelby, Hockley, Waller, Magnolia, Pine Island, Sand Fleet, Stagecoach, Patterson, and Industry. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Stay off roads in this area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Doing. Oh, hey, Jeffy! You're being a good boy, right? Oh, I see you got your cat piano. Well, I'm gonna keep on cooking, okay? You just be a good boy and play with your piano. Really, nigga? Okay, Jeffy, that's enough. You can stop playing with your toy, okay? How about you help me cook in the kitchen? Help you cook in the kitchen? Yeah. I'm about to fry the fish, so how about you get the flour for me? Oh, flour? Oh, I can do that. Yeah, get the flour for me, Jeffy. Good boy. Hey, I got your flour. Oh, thanks, Jeffy. You idiot! I'm not talking an actual flour. I'm talking about the white powdery stuff. Oh, cocaine. What? No. I'm talking about in the container. It's in the pantry. Just go and get it, please. Okay. Idiot. Which one is it? Chef Pee-Pee Chuck, which one of these is the flour? The one that says flour on it, Jeffy. I don't see one that says flour. There's one that says floor. What? Yeah, it says floor. Bring it out, Jeffy. You want me to throw it on the floor? What? Yeah, do you want me to throw it on the floor? No, just throw it to me, Jeffy. Throw it to me. All right. Oh, such an idiot. Okay, I got it. Oh, okay, Jeffy. Bring it over here to me. I have to cook with it, okay? Whoops. Jeffy, what the hell?